So I'm going to show you what to apply on your body for protection. This will protect you from harm. You can apply it on children, your children. You can apply it on them. You can apply it anytime you have a horrible dream. If you are feeling unsafe, you have started feeling unusual, you can apply it on your body. You can apply it as well whenever you are feeling sick. It helps greatly. Even health-wise, it helps. But this one is for spiritual purpose, and you see what will happen. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. My name is Pamela. I share spiritual messages and tips on this channel. I don't do spiritual work. I don't give out WhatsApp number or any form of contacts. Whosoever claiming to be me, telling you to bring money, he or she is Pamela, tell the person he or she is a scammer. I don't do that. May God bless you. Consider subscribing if you love what I do, okay? Also like this video, please. And make sure you turn on the notification bell, that bell that is beside the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload videos, you get to see and come and watch. So, do you know what is palm kernel oil? It's black. Okay, there are differences, okay? There's one that is black, palm kernel oil. It's still called palm kernel oil. There's one that is not black, it's like a golden brown. It's also called palm kernel oil. These are the differences. This one is produced differently, like burning, a burning method, or you can call it heating method, directly in fire. Okay, that is how it's being processed. In that way, it's going to look burnt, like a black one. That is the one you need. That particular one is the one you need. So in case you get that golden one, okay, that golden brown, that one is being processed differently. It's a cold press method. You know, when it comes to skin, you want to apply it on your skin for beauty purpose, for other benefits. There are lots of benefits of this oil, palm kernel oil. You can serve as anti-aging benefits, to clear the skin, to smoothen the skin, to make sure you have no pimple. In fact, I'm not talking about that, but I'm telling you that that particular one is mainly for that cold press method. But they are all called palm kernel oil. It's just the different way of processing it. This black one, that is what you need. So for spiritual purpose, get this type. You also have to get alligator pepper. Okay, I've talked about alligator pepper so many times. It's very good spiritually. In fact, alligator pepper is a spirit. The seed is a spirit. Why is it a spirit? You can use it for consultation. You can use it to appease, you know, during prayer. You can use it in different way. Just say what you want and you see it happen. But there is how to open it. I'm displaying it for you to see. You must open it from the back. When you have not used it, you bought it newly. The way it's showing like that in a shell, you just take it to the back, tear it open, then bring it to the front. You take the number of alligator pepper seed that you need. Why I say it's also a spirit is because when you use it, you start feeling the effects. But it's with the power of God, of course. Traditionally, they can use it in different ways. But when it comes to with prayer, you also serve. So get alligator pepper seed and get palm kernel oil, the black one, please. Then this is how to make use of it. So palm kernel oil symbolizes ancestral protection and for spiritual strength. For spiritual purpose, these are the benefits. And the alligator pepper seed, breaking barriers, any form of barriers, any form of yoke, any kind of evil yoke, curses, spells, it can help to break it. It serves as protection. It serves as a medium for invoking divine energy. So these are the benefits of alligator pepper seed and also palm kernel oil. So I'll talk about how to use alligator pepper seed for protection. Please check my videos. You will see lots of them. So you want to know that particular one, search on YouTube, Palmer's TV, protection with alligator pepper. Palmer's TV, alligator pepper seed for protection. Just type it like that. You will see all videos I've made concerning alligator pepper seed. This is the first time I'm making a video using palm kernel oil. I just remembered now. I say, oh, let me share with you guys. So this is how to prepare it for best results. Any quantity you want to get. Put 7 seeds of alligator pepper seed. The seeds of alligator pepper, 7 seeds. Put it in the oil. Then cover it and leave it for 3 days. Shake it and leave it for 3 days. If you are getting enough quantity of this oil fine. If it's just a small one, fine. But it must be 7 seeds of alligator pepper. Keep it inside 3 days, please don't forget. After 3 days, you bring it out, open it, and you start praying to God. Tell God what you want. You want this for this. You want for protection. You want it to protect you from harm, from sickness, from affliction, from any form of evil projection, any form of evil arrow, that God should remove it from you. You want to be protected. You don't want evil. You want to go to bed. You don't want nightmare. You don't want bad dream. Just name it. From that day, you can start using it. On the 3rd day after the prayer, just use it. Just apply it. Just put it, please. Okay? Then you have to rub it. Okay? Just rub it. Apply it on your body. This is very good. Very good. This is also very good at smoothing your skin. It doesn't darken the skin. It's just for every skin type. Okay? Apply it for protection. Apply on your children from head. If you cannot from head, apply it anywhere. This also helps for, what is it called? For catarrh, for cough. Some people, they drink it. If you get organic, the one that is not mixed with any other oil, sometimes you can even produce it yourself, okay, locally. But I'm just telling you the spiritual benefits. It glows the skin. Like, this is oil that you will love. Please apply it for protection before you go to bed. You are going out, you know, it helps greatly. May God bless you. By the grace of God, you shall be protected from harm. No evil shall befall you. No harm shall come near your dwelling. In Jesus' name. God will give you peace. God will grant you peace. As long as you invite the power of God when you are praying, God will cover you with His power, with His protection. In Jesus' name. So go on and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, okay? Please like this video. Do not forget, just click the like button. And subscribe in case you have not. And please make sure you share this video. May God bless you. I will see you next time.